So, I don't know. I was gonna get some shit done. Stop with the GoPro and get some shit done. Here I am over at the fire, messing around. Probably gonna sit down and drink some coffee and take a break. Because my boss is not around, so I can do whatever I want. I'm just gonna chill out by the fire for a minute. Throw a couple pine boards on and call it good. GoPro, stop recording. So what is this, 30 yards or so? Saramonic mic, 30 yards, still records. I hope so, I don't know. But, I just thought I'd see how far I could go and you could hear me. Hopefully you could still hear me over there. Yeah, you're recording, so I guess you could hear me.